G'day everybody, so this is the first ride back after my hip replacement, so we'll see how it goes today. So really looking forward to getting back on the ski again, and it's probably been about 10 or 10 weeks since I've been for a ride, and probably about 11 or 12 weeks since I've been for a ride, but 10 weeks post-op, 10 or 11 weeks post-op, so I think it's been enough time, and we'll see how we go. It looks like it's going to be a nice day anyway. Got some of the crew here. Got Dad and Molo and Dano as well. So all coming out for a good ride and see how we go. Catch up with you later. All going really well so far. Everything's holding up okay. And there's our beautiful weather and a beautiful strand. Nice day. Woohoo! There's Dane. So here we are now at the beautiful Huntingfield Bay. So it's one of the islands, one of the bays on the island with its own waterfall. And there it is in the corner there. You might be able to see it up in the back in that corner there. So after good rain, that flushes out and creates a lovely waterfall and a little creek that comes down to the corner here. So it's an absolute paradise, this place. And it's so close to where we live. Very lucky. Water looks nice and clear too, so it's a pretty nice day. This beautiful little bay here, we don't normally see the high tide this high, and this is like a little inlet here. I don't know what bay it is. It's part of the 5 Beach Bay around the back of Maggie. But when you get a high tide over in Maggie here, all these little creeks sort of come to life, and this is all normally just beach. So pretty cool to see all these little areas that we don't normally get to. So just relaxing the horseshoe, just had brekkie, there's my ski, and Dad's just taken one of the boys for a ride on his ski. So water's absolutely beautiful. Markets are on. Such a nice day and such a good place. Very accessible from Townsville. And there's my baby. Quick jump start of the Molo machine. So every jet ski should have one of these things. Jump starter, because without them and a flat battery, you got no mates, you're pretty much rooted. So if you got a ski, get one of these.
Or don't start with a flat battery.
Or don't start with a flat battery, yeah. There's Al chilling after a successful dismount.
Enjoying the Sunday.
Just had a great swim at Huntingfield Bay, and about to head home. Been a beautiful day, so see how we go on the way home with the weather. I think it's going to be okay. See you all later.